Well, can quite honestly say the truck is dressed in holiday mode. It's what you use four-wheel drive trucks for. They're not dirty, they're not doing. So yeah, fair bit of dirt on it. But hey, we're not even a quarter of the way into the holiday yet, so it's going to be a lot dirtier. But no, I love the roads we go on. And got to the end of this road. And that's what it says. The L is a K and the C is an O. So yeah, we better go and check out this. I can hear them. So we better go and check out and see what they are like. So I've just come down this path and we've come across these falls. Quite mesmerising.